Oh no, I see it. Oh, I see it. Oh, dude, that's that looks so bad. You can't even see. There's nothing even there. It's just the Ford. That's why. Oh yeah, there she is. There she is. Let's go look at her.
Go. Oh my goodness.
Think it's bad?
Oh my gosh.
Bad?
It is bad, man. Look at that.
Dang, it deleted itself pretty much.
You need to like чуть-чуть підняти його і викатити там туди.
Damn. What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Rusty. Welcome back to this monstrosity that I just bought. It's a 2019 Volvo. What is it? 760 VNL 760. Is that good? 760 good? Guess it's good. I am not a semi-truck expert, guys. My first semi-truck I've bought, so we went here and checked it out already before we purchased this. So what do we got?
Diesel's gone.
Diesel all leaked out. Well, it's all good. Got some broken leaf springs right here, broken axle. We've got some ghetto rigging right here. I don't know what's going on there. So, no, that's not our tire, dude. Somebody. Yeah, well, it's not ours, so. Man, this thing, I don't know, looks like somebody. No, frame looks good. Frame looks good. We already went to check it out. I'm an expert, guys, so I know the frame's good. So, how much horsepower? Severe transmission damage when towed. What? Where? On this plot? How much horsepower? Right there. 425. Is that weak? It's pretty weak. So is this the cheapest model or something?
Yeah.
I don't care. Cheap not. We got automatic transmission.
I have blood. Oh,
I got blood. Is that blood?
Yeah.
Well, it says biohazard, so you think somebody died in here?
Somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's keys.
So there's gonna be a lot of stuff flying around, dude. I don't even know what to do. We have to like bend some of this stuff back. I guess let's start strapping this thing up and get it home. Alright guys, you guys have no clue what it took to get this thing straight off the ground. We don't even know if we did this thing properly at all. Like, we'll see if we make it. We're just gonna go ahead and start driving out of this yard because they're closing up. We've been here for like 2.5 hours. We're trying, but hopefully this thing doesn't delete itself in the middle of the highway. So we'll see what happens. Sketchiness right there, dude. Да, вони вже закриваються. Давай на ровне на цемент поставимо, побачимо. Ха? Окей, I don't know. Давай ми попробуємо, вони вже закриваються. Давай туди станемо, Ярик, і побачимо. Ага. Окей, давайте бак. Oh my gosh, guys, that was crazy. We're towing this thing back right now. It might be a little loud in the truck, sorry. But we ran into some huge problems. Right, Yaroslav?
Yeah, it was a lot of work to do.
It was a lot of work. It's crazy, man. I don't know what to do. One of the rear axles is slightly 2 inches off the ground. So hopefully it doesn't delete that tire. But if it doesn't, we'll see. I'll update you guys if anything bad happens. But if not, we'll just continue with it. Alright guys, it is the next day. We couldn't record anything yesterday because we got home really late, but that's okay. We got it parked right now and we could not get this thing started because it has no key. but I know that I can get a key from the Volvo dealer for about 30 bucks. That's what we're gonna do next to check the mileage. But my dad is a semi-truck expert. He says just by looking at the belts, because this is a 2019 Volvo, just by looking at the belts, it has under 40,000 miles. I wish it has 40,000 miles. This thing is a steal. I don't know if you guys know how much these things go for, but it is, if it has under 40,000 miles, that's gonna be awesome. So next episode, guys, we're gonna start tearing this thing down and removing some stuff and starting this thing up, or even try to get the mileage out of it and see what happens. So stay tuned for the next couple episodes. This is gonna be a crazy rebuild. The semi-truck looks pretty bad right now, but I promise you guys that it's gonna get fixed and it's gonna look brand new. So I appreciate it for watching. Deuces.